how to make money on people per hour as a voiceover artist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So guys, before we proceed to showing you how you can make money using the platform, first I'm going to explain the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can register as a freelancer with your skill, like a graphic designer, for example, or a web developer, and you will get paid basically for making projects for other people. So here, people who are looking for someone to make them a landing page, for example, as you can see, or a logo, they come here, they select the category they are looking for. For example, let's go with design. So here, for example, if I want a logo design, I will go to logo design, and here I will look, or I will choose one of these freelancers, and I will pay him in order to make me a logo for my business or my store or whatever I'm needing the logo for. So that's basically what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to be one of these freelancers, how to put your work out there for clients to see and to pay you to make their logos, or to make their ad copies, or to make them some creative writing, or whatever your skill is. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about the voiceover artist. So here, go to freelancer, click on freelancer, then select I want to work as a freelancer, then click on sign up with email, and then you fill the usual information, first name, last name, and so on. And for me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to log in order to proceed to finishing setting up my account, where I will need to fill the information about my profile. So here I'm going to enter my password and log in. And here you're almost ready to start selling. Click on apply now to set up your profile. So here you will need a profile picture, and guys, make sure to upload a decent profile picture of your face. No profile picture with some group image in a group image or some animation. Make sure to be a professional picture, like the one you will use for your ID or your social media account. Exactly, drop it in here, and here you enter your job title, for example, award-winning web developer, or you can just enter a voiceover artist, and that will do. And here, and you enter your skills. So the maximum is 15 skills, so you cannot enter more than this. So here, let's go with voice over artist, as you can see. And here you can select if you are male or female. Let's go with male. Male voiceover. You can enter a voice and see what we have else. Voice training, voiceover IP, interactive voice response, voice talent, voice acting as well. So I think you get the idea of entering your skills, and then you proceed to enter in your bio, where you describe yourself to buyers. So for example, if you want to enter a good bio for your profile, you will just need to go to music and audio, and here we will look for some voiceovers. Here is a voiceover. Click on voiceover, open in a new tab, and then we will go to spy on the other voiceover artists, and we will see what are they talking about in their bio. This one, for example, professionally record your 180 word script with my British voice. Record a conversational North American male voiceover. Record your 2-minute voiceover or voiceover. Let's choose this one, for example. Let's check his bio. Let's see what is he talking about in his bio, and we will get an idea of how we can generate our bio as well. So this is his bio. As you can see, for more than 25 years I have been on the radio and TV as a voiceover narrator, broadcaster and announcer, working for the BBC every day, and and here he enters some bullet points: £30 for up to 180 words and £10 for the next 90 words, and so on. So I think you got the idea of the bio. So here you just need to check 1 or 3 like this one, and he's a top seller by the way, top cert by the way, ranked in top 0.5% of people per hour. So this is a decent voiceover, and you can check the other ones. For example, this one as well. Let's check this one. It's the same one. Let's go back. This one, and we can see as well his skills and his offers. As you can see what you get with this offer, and here we're interested in his bio. Every bio price, it's not the bio. This is his bio. I'm Drew, and I've been in the radio and voiceover business for 13 years. Thousands of clients have given me 5-star ratings on other freelancing websites, and I can't wait to help your project shine. You will get your voiceover back in 48 hours or less. So this is some of his services that he provided and he provides now, as you can see. So I think you get the idea on how you can create your bio, guys. So here you'll just come back and start entering your bio in here. After that, you enter your location and your spoken languages. So let's start with English, and then you can enter the other languages that you can speak. I'm going to choose Arabic as well, and French, and that's it. And here the last thing is you choose your hourly rate. So you'll do the same again like the bio. Check the other voiceover artists and see how much they're getting paid per hour, and see if that fits you, and then enter the price in here. So for example, let's say £20 per hour, or you can change the currency in here, and then click on submit application. Then you will be just like them on those pages. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.